Alright guys, so this is Moab, Mechanics on a Budget, and today we're doing a review on our current Hyundai SEXCEL. Yeah. Alright guys, so this is our Hyundai Excel, SEXCEL. So obviously we've done a few modifications to it. Not many engine mods, but exterior mods. Yeah, quite a few. So these are rims and tyres. They're 185 65 14s. They're pretty big. They do scrape in the back, but I mean, looks after practicality, you know. Our rims, they're 14s. They're two-piece. They're two-piece 3-spoke. So they're worth quite a bit. Got them for hell cheap, $100 for all four. Fucking yep. Also got big ass fucking wing, $50. Pretty sure it used to be purple. Yeah, so that's pretty good. One of a kind. Dump pipe is not connected. Just there for looks. Again. And then we've obviously done the arches, rolled the arches. This one you can pretty much fucking cook an egg on it. It's that flat. The other ones are all really good. And that's pretty much about it for the outside body. Probably next mods for it would be maybe like skirts on the bottom, or maybe like actual fenders for the wheels. I'm not sure. That'd be when I get a job. And then yeah, then we'll show you in their interior. So before I get into the interior, please note this car is full ricer, and we intend it to be full ricer.
Yeah, like... Yeah.
Okay, so the interior. So, you know, like any people out there's always shit in it. So, so pretty much we've got custom radio. This wasn't factory, but it's definitely not the fucking best. We've got Bluetooth thing just so we can actually play music. Let me sit down. So custom gear knob, $30 out of super cheap. You know, gives that a little bit of race spec. We would love to be sponsored by Subway. Hit us up. Yep. Handbrake, that's stock. I want like a pull one.
Yeah, big hydro.
Big hydro, but that's like, yep. Back seat, there's just shit in there. Yeah, and that's about it really in the interior. The brake looks like it's a custom one because all the plastics come off it. And yeah, and let's show you the engine. Alright, so here's the beast, LS, sorry, 4-cylinder. So pretty much haven't done many mods to this, except for the pod filter, really. We've got bigger injectors to go in, just haven't put them in yet. Pretty much, so pretty much by bigger injectors, just more fuel flow and flames.
Yeah, flames.
And also, we do have a turbo to go on this, $50. It's a diesel turbo, which we intended because that means the turbos will spool up quicker, which is what we want, you know, win races easier. Yeah, and
we got this cunt.
Yeah,
this
so
cunt's
yeah,
dodgy
so
fucking
yeah,
wiring.
so mad jump. So this wire is just for the sub in the back. I will show you that in a second. And this wire is for the spark plug in the exhaust. So pretty much we got a coil pack, and then drilled a hole in the exhaust and put the spark plug in there. So hopefully when we put better injectors in there, we got to switch a button, turn the spark plug on, and flames.
Yeah, flames.
Yeah, that's pretty much it for the engine.
And this is also the single overhead cam one, not the double overhead cam.
Yeah.
But, you know,
it still goes amazingly hard. You can like, in the wet, you can like pull second like
peace.
so easy.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. And for all those single peggers out there who love single pegs, this does amazing fucking single pegs. So yeah, hit us up. Alright, so this is our boot. So like every good mechanic and car enthusiast, you always have spare parts. So we got a starter motor out of an Astra, we got an alternator out of an Astra, and this pod filter is probably out of like a Hilux.
Pod filter?
Filter, yep. Got some spare wire here. Oh, it's empty. Got a scratchy, you know, got an LED torch, got
Oh, you fucked it.
Yeah, so back to spare parts. Got the spare wheel. Got a jack. That jack does not work. It's just there for looks. And then the sub. The sub's not connected, but it works.
Hey.
Yeah, they're wet because there's water in the bottom because our car leaks. And yeah, that's about it. 4 speakers, 2 in the doors, 2 in the back here. If you can see in there, that's our amp underneath the seat. Billion wires in there. And that's really about it. Taz, have you got anything to say about our project car?
It's fucking loud. It's pretty loud.
Yeah. Oh yes, I forgot to mention it is stripe piped. So the muffler, the hot dog, the cat, it's all out. Nothing there. Yeah. So future things for the car. Turbo, which is nearly all hooked up. We just need to get oil lines for it. Then she's sweet. Maybe some fenders. Stickers. Bonnet scoop, because we're probably going to get an intercooler. And that's about it, really. That's our Excel. So now we're going to take you for a ride in the Excel. So you can get this to crackle pretty good, solely because it is straight piped. All the old people really hate it. I'm not a big fan of it. Every P-plater though, yeah, enjoys it. And if you're a P-plater watching this in, 5-6 months, hit us up and we'll sell it to you. I've got oil on my hands.
Get her on fucking limiter, mate.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Alright, so yeah, now you've seen everything for our Excel. Please like and subscribe. It's pretty good. Just follow us for more improvements to our project.